Hello, it's Professor Nadia, and this week we'll be taking an interesting turn in our discussion about telomeres. Recently, I read an article written by Kay Lindenfield for Women's Health magazine. It was very well done and concise. It summarized an otherwise lengthy scientific publication into a short and sweet article that hit all the main points of the study while using a vernacular that was easily understood by those who may not have a scientific background. The overall tone of the paper was very light-hearted and hopeful in a sense. The author almost has a sort of call to action for the readers, calling them to take control of their aging and aid their body by exercising and living healthy lives. Reading about telomeres in a popular culture magazine that is so widely read is simply exciting. It is very satisfying to know that as a scientific community, we are growing and expanding our knowledge enough to share it with not only amongst other scientists, but with the world. And to know that an otherwise complicated and vague concept like telomeres and hormones are being something of common knowledge and casually read is also a feat. It shows that understanding of these once unknown topics has become so revealed and understood that they can now be simplified and concise. Overall, this article was a fun read, and I do appreciate its fast and concise points. It showed that those who exercised daily and often had higher levels of irisin, which is a hormone that burns fat rather than stores it. This study was done through a range of ages ranging from 18 to 83, and it proved that those who exercised more had higher levels of irisin in the blood and thus significantly longer telomeres than those who were also involved in their same age group. Perhaps one of the most interesting pieces of information from this read is that this study proved the first molecular mechanism that signifies the benefits of exercise. Before this study, proof of benefit of exercise was mostly due to heart function. But now we know so much more, not only about telomeres, but our body as a whole and how it responds to exercise.